Okay, today is July 31st, 2017, and we're looking at the Northeast Pacific water vapor loop. This is a very quick update. We do have clear skies in Los Angeles this morning. It's about 10:15, 10:30, and right now we're looking at a blockade right here being set up in this area right over just offshore and over California, which is blocking the remnants of Hilary right here. Hilary is no longer on the map. We have Irwin down here, right there. And we can see very clearly that this area right here is going to block all that moisture right down here from moving anywhere near California. Same thing's happening right over here on the Arizona border. If we take a look at the western U.S. water vapor loop, we can see the blockade set up right over California. And all this moisture is being blocked and redirected out to the northeast, or excuse me, the northwest, which will probably pick up. Well, actually, they've blocked this as well. So this is going to be quite interesting to see what happens, because this was a former hurricane. It was a tropical storm. Now it is just a post-tropical depression. Actually, it's not even on the map. Let's take a quick look at the hurricane center map right here. All we have is Irwin left, and 50-mile-per-hour winds. We also have a new disturbance down here with a 10% chance of hurricane development. You see all that moisture here in the western U.S. map. Right here we have a cell that's being blown apart. This is the big news right here. Besides this blockade, we have a huge shock wave right there. We're going to take a look at that. Back to the water vapor map, there is clear evidence right there. In this area, nothing's going to get into California. And look what's happening here. See part of that supercell blasting, shooting a piece of section of water vapor across the eastern California desert. Taking a closer look here in the southwest water vapor map, we can see a huge shock wave right here, this circular shock wave that moves to the south. There was a cell right in this area that was blown apart. We missed that event. This is the very tail end of that event, and we're capturing the shock wave right down here, moving out down into Mexico from Arizona. And we see that section of water vapor that's shot out from that blast pattern. We see the chemtrails being sprayed right through here as well in that area. Let's take a look next at the, this is the rainbow loop. And look at all that water vapor shooting away from that high pressure downburst. That superheated the center of that developing supercell. We see that shock wave right here. Okay, so next is the visible light map, and we can really see that shock wave right there. Now if we stop the loop and scroll through it, see that hole open up right there. We've already got a previous shock wave developed right along here. See it moving south. Okay, so this is more good evidence of weather manipulation in our area, preventing the rain from moving in. That shock wave is visible on all three maps. That is amazing. So there's the evidence right there. That has nothing to do with carbon dioxide or carbon greenhouse gases. Nothing. This is just a pure RF weather manipulation using microwave transmitters. Here we have an upper level low. Look at the straight edge right in the middle of that low pressure system. We have high pressure right between, this is Hilary, the remnants of Hilary. This is all blockaded. So none of this moisture will get into this low, and it's blocked from getting into California. Look right here. So nothing is getting into California. Now, if Jerry Brown couldn't look at this map and see what was going on, he should be recalled as governor for being incompetent and inept. That is just so obvious what's going on here. Let's take a look at this again. Look at that. Look at that. That is just so obvious. So this would have brought some rain to Southern California. And same thing right here. 2 opportunities for rain. Actually, 3 opportunities. We've got another system right up here. This looks like something we would see in January or February right here. This big low being blocked. Okay, that's it.